Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AirPlay on your Roku device so you can stream any kind of iPhone, iPad to it, and it's very easy. So you get home right here, just press up, then go to settings and go to the right. Then scroll on down under here. And there will be an option that will allow us to use AirPlay. So if we continue to scroll on down, here's Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. Just select this with OK. And once you're on this screen, you can go on over to your iPad or your iPhone, and then you should be able to find it. Just make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So let's do that right now. I'm on my iPhone right now, and just swipe on down from the top right. So if you do that, you'll get to this control center. Go to the Wi-Fi right here and make sure this is turned on. So if you're not connected to the same Wi-Fi, you're not going to be able to see it. So let's tap in the open space, and go back to these two little boxes. And our Roku device should show up under here if we are connected to the same Wi-Fi. So I got my Amazon Fire Stick. I'm actually connected to the wrong Wi-Fi, so I'm going to go to this right now, and I'm going to switch on over to the same one. So this one should be Miss Beast. So here it is right here. I'm going to connect to it. Then when I tap in the open space, I go back to these two little boxes. My Roku device is going to show up under here. Just select it. Then you can see I'm screen mirroring, casting, display mirror, etc. over to my TV, and it's very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.